Under the aegis of Nivesh India, ET now travels east to the capital city of Odisha, Bhubaneswar, and talks to the residents out there about how to approach investing in the current scenario.
If you start picking stocks one after another, you don't know where to end because there are thousands of companies available in India. How many stocks you will buy, how many balance sheet you will have to read to understand what the company is heading, how many order books you will have to study to understand what the prospect it holds for you. One way out is that exchanges have indexes. Nifty is an index, nothing less than that. It represents top 50 companies in India. Now understand, to invest in top 50 companies in India, perhaps you need to fork out lots of money, which is not possible. So what NSE has done, essentially, NSE has formulated an index, which is Nifty, which represents top 50 companies. So if you buy 1 unit of Nifty, then you own those 50 companies by which they are represented in the index, by the percentage they are represented in the index.
If you've been watching business channels at large, you would have seen him. He's a very regular guest on most business channels, and it's with great pleasure that I request you to join your hands and clap for Mr. Dipan Mehta.
See, basically, when you want to invest in the stock market, the formula to be followed is very simple. You have to buy stocks with high returns, and you have to sell stocks or avoid stocks with low or negative returns. Unfortunately, when we are buying a share, when we are buying any equity, we do not know. We have a fair idea that the company will do well, its past track record is good, the industry prospects are great, but we don't know for sure how it will really perform and whether it will actually live up to its potential. And that's where the real challenge is, because we don't know the outcome of the stocks that we have invested in. So the solution to that is what we call smart investing. It's basically an investment process. It's a template, it's a concept, it's a system which if you follow consistently and in a disciplined manner, then you will be able to generate extraordinary returns in the stock market. See, the Nifty has been designed in such a way that it has a fair representation of all the large industries. And as an investor, we should always try and get returns which are equal to or higher than the Nifty. And since the Nifty has a 31% weightage for financial services, 16% for software, 11% for energy, these are the kind of weightages that we should also try and apply in our portfolio. So whenever we are looking at creating a portfolio of stocks, the first step, of course, is that we should diversify into various industries. After taking that decision, which industries to diversify into, that cue is given by the Nifty weightages in the various industries.
Nivesh India, I really congratulate them and also convey my thanks that they have come to Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar being a place of good investment capability, but not many investors, because there has not been proper feedback, proper awareness given to the people here so that they can come forward for investment, safe investment and a profitable investment. So what I feel the need for conducting a similar regular programs, maybe by ET now or National Stock Exchange, and educate the people here because they have got capability to invest. People are wasting money in cheat funds, scams, all these things. So let them be our social responsibility to train them, teach them, guide them, invest and be wealthy.
Yeah, it is quite good. So the first time that I am actually coming for this, so what I find is that the way that they are educating peoples inside the Bhubaneswar and to the Odia people to invest in the stock exchange is quite awesome. So to my feeling that obviously you should educate more people and quite younger generation to make India independent on the financial sectors, be a part of a Indians to be involve yourself in the financial accountability.
It teaches me a lot of things about the market, how to invest. As we are young investors, it given a wide idea about that, how to invest. As we thought that it's the stock market is a very complicated thing, but as we come to this show, we came to know that it's not so complicated. It is easy. It has very criteria that we can invest less amount